Hello everyone! Today I want to share a line from 猫神やおよろず and this line is said by 小宮ゆず 小宮 Here is what she said 骨董って事情があって持ち主と別れ忘れられている品物ですよね。骨董屋の仕事というのはもう一度そういった品物を明るい光の中に出してやって新しい持ち主と巡り合わせやる仕事だと父は言っていました。Okay, first thing first. What I want to share through this line is よね. This sentence ending particle is really tricky. Without them, the meaning doesn't change. But with them, they can be a headache for readers. Anyway, よね brings up a thought or feeling that has just emerged or that you already have. And you want to seek agreement from the other person. Quite abstract.Right? Let's see my example. ハートの巣作りは雑すぎるよね。This is what I'm watching. I'm looking at a pigeon, and it is building its nest. I'm saying. The way the pigeons build their nest is such a mess, right? What does it mean? This reflects your observation that the nest built by pigeons are chaotic. I want to share this information to you, and at the same time I want you to agree with me. You see the nest? You think the same thing, right? So let's get back to the line. This sentence consists of two main parts. The first part is 骨董って事情があって持ち主と別れ忘れられている品物ですよね。Alright, 骨董 means antique, and て is equal to というのは。If you use というのは, you have to introduce a proper definition or give a correct explanation of what antiques are. So というのは equals to proper definition. 事情 means causes. があって this comes from があります and いつてけ is があって means there is or there are.But what is it in teke? Teke indicates that the first part causes or leads to the situation in the second part. 事情があって means there are causes that need to, or I'll translate it this way. Due to certain causes. 持ち主 owner. と means from. 別れ separate. 別れるin teke is wakarete. And then by removing the te is a way to compress the sentence. They have the same meaning of indicating that this sentence is not finished. Wakare, wakarete. They serve the same meaning and function and translation. 忘れられている it comes from 忘れる and then change it into passive form. 受け身け 忘れられる and then change it into a perfect tense. 忘れられている This means has been forgotten. Has been forgotten. 品物 items or goods. This is MR. よね expresses your opinion or feeling and then seek for an agreement. It is untranslatable in English. Well, the full translation of the first part is You see, antiques are the items that are separate from their owners and have been forgotten due to certain causes, right? And then now we are moving on to the next part. First, we have to find out the subject. 父は My father is the subject. And then the verb. Here the verb is 言っていました, which means used to say. This is a past continuous tense. But why is it in past continuous tense? Possibly because her father has passed away. So I'll translate it as My father used to say. と is a particle used to quote what her father used to say. I'll put in that. My father used to say that. Say what? 骨董屋の仕事 The job of an antique dealer. というのは introduce a proper definition or explanation. You have to tell about the job's detail. もう一度 means once again or one more time. そういった refers to the previous mentioned item, those items that have been forgotten due to certain causes. I'll translate it as such. 品物 items or goods. And then お indicates the object. 明るい bright. 光の中 in the light or inside the light. に indicates the destination of the verb, meaning in, into, on, or onto. 出してやって means to bring out, to take out. てけ indicates that the sentence is not complete. Take something out and put it into the light, into the bright light. 新しい持ち主 new owner. と with. 巡り合わせやる it comes from 巡り合わせます means to match or bring together. With やる indicates that the action will be carried out until the end, until the very end. 仕事 means work, and だ is MR. So my father used to say that the job of an antique dealer is to bring such items back into the light and match them with new owners. Wow, it's sad. The sad thing is her father has passed away, and the happiest thing is it is such an uplifting dialogue. This is such a hopeful line. Okay? Do you understand what she said? See you next time.